toh jingede bat ka hukum jong ka state government ban close down ya baru ki Turki ki badon hapo ka jurisdiction jong ka JHDC bat ka KHDC hoj menen ngi dan lang ha ka meeting baru chief minister deputy chief minister baru minister in charge jong ka DC department tahadin bengalayatai ya kini ki isu nagliang jongi ka JHDC nila pentip sa government ba hadu mentang impadon ya kini ki toll gates ban collect tax and tolls ban nila pentip ru bang idon tang ya kini ki forest bed house jongka forest department ban check ya ki forest produce katkum ka Management and Control of Forest Act 1958 but subsequent order jangka Supreme Court ban hidon ru ya gena check station jangka tax department ban check ne ban detect yaki non travel commercial vehicles kibayat without obtaining training license from the council tingin tang ya gini ki check stations bat ki bed house kudu munta empat don ya gini ki toll gate ban collect tax and tolls but agak meeting nilai discuss ru ya ka powers of councils to collect tax and tolls manading jonging la pensingau ya government ba katkum ka prai jong ka schedule of the constitution of India kalai bor ngi bangin china ain ban collect tax and tolls tandayan ki pentang empat le adum ta ban nilai discuss nagleng ka state government kala ay jumud ngi ba ngin prepare ya ka action plans lani ka working plan but ya kaning submit ya ka proposal sa ka state government but ngindon ru ka coordination hapdeng sa council but ka state government ya kaning bantangin sa work out ban sa sen no ya ka proposal sa government